أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I would like to greet all of you with the Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Before I came here, I had another letter to show you, but that was the letter that my mom and my dad helped me with. Although I don't want to be rude to them, I would like to express my feelings with you and express my feelings and expressions with you today. Dear Father of Afghanistan, in Afghanistan we have a problem and an issue that we are all aware of. And as Thomas Edison said, I have never been wrong, but I have been 10,000 times been a failure. And my mom always told me, life is a long journey. If there is an obstacle on the way that you struggle with, you could go over it, under it, pass it, or turn away. And I should never give up. So a smart person is a person to find a solution for the problem. I have two aims in my life. One is to find the medicine for cancer when I'm a doctor. And the second is to change Afghanistan to a better, best country and with the world to change. Dear leader, these children who are sitting with us today, their parents were a doctor, engineer, architect, and many more. Unfortunately, they're not with them anymore. It is our responsibility to keep these people as our family. So tomorrow they could be a doctor, engineer, architect, and anything they want to be so they can support the whole of Afghanistan. Finally, I don't want to take a lot of your time. I don't ask anything for myself or for anything for my family. I want to humbly request for you to support these children. Thank you for the opportunity you gave us, and I pray for your long life and your bright future. Manana tashakkur.